Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and this is Monica's Lifestyle Projects. Sorry about my voice. I feel like since I did get sick a couple months ago, I still have the cough and my voice still kind of goes in and out. So sorry about that. My voice is not back to full normalish yet. I don't even know what that would be like anymore. It has its pros and cons, I guess. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me on a normal, I want to say it's a normal cleaning every day with me, but at the same time it kind of took a turn. For the most part, the kitchen kind of stays more organized than more of the areas of the house. I do try to put away some stuff, especially if they don't belong in the kitchen, or if I get something out, I try to re-put it back in, just kind of like just to help with the pile up, because I feel like out of every single area, the kitchen does tend to go a little crazy. I did put some stuff away, and I do have some chicken wings I ordered for us to do dinner, so I'm gonna be starting that and kind of cleaning. We did do a couple projects this last year in the kitchen. We did replace our countertops as well as replace the windows for the whole house in general, and we also replaced the backsplash. We used to have like a blue square design in the middle, but we took that out and just added white tile. There's a lot of white, but I feel like it's just easier to clean, easier to manage. And then I do change my mind on how I like my decor, my color palette. As I mentioned, I feel like I have a different style now than I did before. I do kind of want to add some colors into it, but I still haven't fully decided which ones I do want. I do have some other projects I want to do. I do want to kind of change our pantry, expand it, make it a little bit more easier to manage.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper that you
mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above my view. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Dream a little dream. Waiting, but I love you. Still craving your kiss. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper that you.
Suggestion that Saturday night, sensational double thrill, stock car spectacular instead.
Here is where cleaning became let's change the decor. I do have two blenders out. I do try not to keep a lot of stuff on the countertops, just mostly the appliances I do use day to day. I do have a Blendtec and then the Ninja. I gravitate more towards the Ninja just because it does have the personal blender, which I love. Super easy to wash, and I do drink a protein shake every morning, so it's just easier and more accessible. So I think I'm going to be putting away the Blendtec away and just leaving out the Ninja. It will give more space too.
30 at Norwood.
Dream a little dream.
This is like normal every day. Sometimes I start one thing and then I'm like 2-3 hours into a different project that I wasn't even planning this, but here we are. So this video is going to be cut into two parts. One of them, I guess, will be like 3 or 4 parts now, because after looking at the footage, I did do like about 3 hours just dedicated to the kitchen, just like figuring out the decor and then kind of like writing notes of what I wanted to change. I do have a lot of ideas, and like I said, now I have so much energy that I want to do so many different agendas. I want to do so many projects and so many things that I have planned, that especially after changing the countertops, I think that was one of my top goals. And now that we changed it, I think the next one would probably be changing the cabinet doors. As something I still want to do. I still haven't figured out exactly what kind of design, so that's one of the reasons that we're holding, so I can look at my options and kind of go from there. That is so exciting. I do have construction going on everywhere. We do have our front yard, a backyard, so I'll probably even show you guys those videos first before we even start with anything projects in the kitchen, just because I know that is something we need to get started on either this week or starting next. So that is something to come, but I'll keep you guys posted on those projects. I will be expanding my garden, so that is something I'm super excited for. do love how all the light comes into the kitchen, so I do not like having curtains on the sliding doors or the window, just because I do like all that natural light to come in. I'll cut the video here because now that I'm doing the editing and all that, it's like 2-3 hours later. See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.